Imagine a city protected by an invisible shield, intercepting rockets and drones before they strike. This is the Iron Dome, Israel's renowned air defense system, now adapted by the US as the enduring shield. Designed for short-range threats, it's a last line of defense for bases and critical sites. The US isn't just buying Israeli tech, it's integrating Iron Dome into its own military network, making it compatible with American radars and command systems. The goal: protect US forces and assets from the growing threat of cheap, fast, and numerous rockets and drones. Modern battlefields are everywhere. Supply depots, airfields, and command centers are all targets. The Iron Dome concept offers a mobile, affordable way to guard these vital locations. As of June 2025, the US is deploying its own Iron Dome, signaling a new era in air defense. This move is a clear message. America is investing in the safety of its forces and its global interests. The Enduring Shield isn't just hardware, it's a strategic tool, reshaping how the US operates in contested regions. Its presence forces adversaries, like China, to rethink their strategies. The US Iron Dome is about more than technology. It's about power, deterrence, and the future of global stability. In a world where threats can come from anywhere, a reliable shield is essential. The story of the Iron Dome is the story of adapting to new dangers and staying one step ahead. As the US fields this system, the balance of power in key regions is shifting. The future of defense is here, and it's changing the rules of the game. The Enduring Shield works in 3 steps: detect, decide, destroy. First, advanced radar scans the sky, instantly spotting rockets, drones, or artillery. Data flows to a command center, where software calculates the threat's trajectory. The system only targets projectiles that threaten people or assets, ignoring those headed for empty ground. This smart targeting saves resources and keeps the system ready for real danger. If a threat is confirmed, a missile launcher fires an agile interceptor, like the AIM-9X Sidewinder. The interceptor closes in, detonating near the target and shredding it mid-air. The entire process, from detection to destruction, takes seconds. Enduring Shield is mobile, truck-mounted, and can be rapidly redeployed. It's designed to work with other US systems, like Patriot, creating a layered defense. This integration allows for data sharing and coordinated responses to complex attacks. The result: a flexible, efficient, and cost-effective shield for US forces. It's not just about stopping rockets, it's about staying ahead of evolving threats. The Enduring Shield's simplicity and intelligence make it a game-changer for American defense. US forces operate from bases worldwide, vital hubs that are now prime targets for rockets and drones. The Enduring Shield is essential for protecting these assets and the people stationed there. Modern warfare is defined by cheap, effective drones and precision rockets, making air defense a necessity, not a luxury. A strong shield deters attacks, raising the cost and risk for adversaries. Deploying Enduring Shield in regions like the Indo-Pacific signals US commitment and strengthens alliances. Reliable air defense frees commanders to focus on their missions, not just survival. It keeps supply lines open, airfields operational, and the military's global reach intact. In short, air defense is the foundation of all US military operations abroad. Without it, even the most powerful force is vulnerable. With it, America's sword remains sharp and ready. The Iron Dome's track record is proven. Over a decade of real-world success, intercepting thousands of rockets. Its adaptability is key. What started as a defense against simple rockets now counters cruise missiles and drone swarms. The US version upgrades this with advanced radar and interceptors, tailored for today's threats. In saturation attacks, the system tracks and prioritizes dozens of targets, engaging the most dangerous first. Networking multiple launchers and sensors creates a resilient, wide-area shield. Drones, cheap and plentiful, are a growing threat. Enduring Shield's radar and interceptors are designed to stop them. This restores balance, preventing a $500 drone from destroying million-dollar equipment. The system's efficiency and adaptability make it vital for modern armies. It's not just about stopping attacks, it's about making the battlefield less predictable for adversaries. The Enduring Shield ensures US forces can operate even under fire. In today's wars, that's the difference between success and disaster. Comparing the U.S. Enduring Shield to China's air defenses reveals different philosophies. China's HQ-9 and similar systems are built for long-range, high-altitude threats, protecting the homeland from jets and missiles. The Enduring Shield, by contrast, specializes in close-range defense against rockets, artillery, and drones. It's a point defense system, guarding specific bases or cities with precision. China's short-range systems, like the HQ-17, protect mobile units, but Iron Dome's smart engagement logic sets it apart. The U.S. system only intercepts real threats, saving resources during mass attacks. This efficiency is a key advantage, especially when facing saturation tactics. The U.S. approach is layered: Enduring Shield for short-range, Patriot and THAAD for long-range. This creates a flexible, resilient network for forces far from home. China's defenses are comprehensive, but the U.S. system is optimized for expeditionary operations. The real question isn't which is better, but which is best for the mission. Enduring Shield fills a critical gap, protecting U.S. forces where they're most exposed. Its smart, cost-effective design is a force multiplier in regional conflicts. In a world of evolving threats, adaptability is everything. The U.S. layered defense model is setting a new standard for military protection. China's missile strategy relies on overwhelming U.S. bases in Asia, with barrages of rockets and cruise missiles. The Enduring Shield challenges this, making American bases much harder to neutralize. Protected bases remain launchpads for U.S. power, forcing China to rethink its war plans. More missiles would be needed for the same effect, raising costs and risks for Beijing. If U.S. allies like Taiwan or the Philippines deploy similar systems, China's calculus changes even more. A robust shield could help Taiwan survive an initial assault, buying time for reinforcements. The Enduring Shield acts as a deterrent, raising the price of aggression. It undermines China's investment in missile forces, devaluing a core pillar of its strategy. This is more than a technical upgrade. It's a strategic shift. For China, the U.S. Iron Dome is a direct challenge to its regional ambitions. The shield is changing the balance of power in the Indo-Pacific. The Enduring Shield isn't the end of the arms race, it's the next chapter. China will respond with faster, smarter, and more numerous missiles, including hypersonics and swarms of cheap drones. The U.S. and allies will push for new defenses, like lasers and microwave weapons, offering near-instant, low-cost shots. The contest is shifting from quality to quantity and economic efficiency. Can defense afford to shoot down every cheap threat? Directed energy weapons could change the equation, firing hundreds of times for the cost of electricity. Both sides will invest in AI, better sensors, and smarter systems. The future battlefield will be a high-speed chess match between automated defenses and evolving threats. This technological race will shape global security for decades. The winner will be the side that adapts fastest. The Enduring Shield is just the beginning. The real battle is for the future of military power. Advanced shields like the Enduring Shield highlight a paradox. Defense can both deter and provoke. A strong shield saves lives and deters attacks, but it can also make adversaries feel threatened. China fears U.S. invulnerability could embolden American intervention. This creates a security dilemma, defensive moves seen as offensive threats, fueling mistrust in arms races. The real goal should be to prevent war, not just win it. Powerful defenses can make aggression too costly, encouraging diplomacy over conflict. When both sides know war is unwinnable, peace becomes more attractive. The challenge is balancing technology with communication and restraint. A shield is only as wise as those who wield it. True security comes from strength, but also from dialogue and mutual respect.